If you're looking to set up Livestorm for event registration and want a streamlined, quick guide to get you started, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to start using Livestorm for your events. Whether you're hosting webinars, virtual conferences, or simple meetings, this tool is an incredibly powerful way to engage with your audience. Let's dive in. The first thing you need to do is sign up for a Livestorm account. It's free to get started, and you can do that by clicking the link below, where you'll also get exclusive bonuses to help you maximize the platform's features. Once you're signed in, we can begin setting up your first event. Start by clicking on the Create Event button. Livestorm makes this part simple, guiding you through the process step by step. Here, you'll choose the type of event you're hosting. It could be a webinar, a live session, or even a meeting. Choose the one that fits your needs best. For event registration, webinars are typically the most common, but you can set this up for any type of event. Next, you'll need to give your event a name, set the date, and define the time zone. This is pretty straightforward. Just make sure your details are accurate, as this is what your attendees will see when they register. Once you've entered all your basic event info, you can move to the registration page. Here, Livestorm gives you several options to customize your registration form. You can include fields for attendees' names, emails, and other important details, like their company name or job title. It's customizable to make sure you're collecting all the information that's relevant to your event. And if you're looking for an even more tailored experience, you can add custom questions to your registration form. This is especially useful if you're trying to get more detailed insights about your audience before the event starts. After setting up your registration page, it's time to think about the event flow. Livestorm gives you a ton of flexibility to add pre-event emails and reminders for your registrants. You can set automatic confirmation emails, reminder emails before the event, and thank you messages after the event. This level of automation ensures that you're always keeping your audience engaged and informed without having to manually send each message. Another powerful feature is Livestorm's ability to integrate with your existing marketing tools. For example, you can connect your email marketing platform or CRM so that you can seamlessly add attendees to your mailing list and track their engagement. This is particularly useful for follow-up marketing or lead nurturing campaigns after the event. Now, let's talk about event settings. Livestorm makes it easy to customize your event's branding. You can upload your logo, set a custom background for the event's video stream, and adjust the color scheme to match your branding. This gives your event a more professional look and feel, which is key to creating a polished experience for your attendees. Once everything is set up and you're happy with how the registration page looks, it's time to go live. Livestorm makes it easy to share your event's registration link, either through social media, email, or direct messaging. You can even embed the registration form directly on your website for an even smoother registration experience. Before your event starts, take advantage of the Livestorm platform to rehearse. Check your audio, video, and other technical aspects to ensure everything runs smoothly on the big day. Livestorm's interface is intuitive, and with a little practice, you'll be comfortable navigating the platform quickly. And that's it. You've set up your event registration on Livestorm. Now, if you want to go even further, remember that the platform offers analytics and reporting tools. After the event, you'll be able to see detailed insights about your attendees, how many stayed until the end, and other valuable metrics to help you improve future events. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that you can try Livestorm for free with our exclusive extended trial. Click the link below to get started and take advantage of this offer. Whether you're new to Livestorm or just looking for a refresher, I hope this quick guide has helped you feel confident about setting up your next event registration. Make sure to use the link below to grab your extended free trial and get the most out of Livestorm.